Yeah, I got a little flat bar punch job today for some parts for a job, I think down in Tennessee. I've got to put some 1/4-inch hose. It's a 2x1/4 flat bar. The flats are 30 inches overall. The hose have to be at 28 inches. So I've already measured it. It is true 30. So this is just kind of how I set the punch up. And I'll make sure I'm set on 0. I'll walk down to 2 inches, lock it. Describe me a pretty good line. I know I'm 2 inches wide, so I'll go back up to 1 inch, lock it. Describe me a line. Go in and center punch. Then we'll go over to the punch. And going to the Geka. Now this is just kind of how I set the machine up. I don't know if it's the right way, wrong way. I had it set up earlier for these short parts. But these are 1/4-inch by 2-inch bar steel. I usually take my backstop, get my depth. It's already set up for the what I'm needing, because that's what I was working on earlier, was 2-inch. So I fire the machine up here, and I'll jog this down to where it's got pressure on it and where it's centered on that center punch. Then I'll use this as my stop this way, to where I can repetitively just keep banging these parts out. So I'll turn it on here. So now it's got pressure in it. So I'll use this. I'll walk it up to where it hits up against this part, making sure it's pushed against the backstop. Use my little clamp here and get it as tight as I can get it, because you can't hand tight these, because this thing does flex and it will move. So you got to really crank it down. Same way with your stop, because this thing, where it works up and down, it'll try to push it. Okay, getting tight. Let it go. Walk it back down to double check I'm centered. Yep, feels pretty good. Spray a little bit of lubricant on them. They make a dye lube. I've never had any. One of these days I'll get some, but this is what I use for now. Then I've got these to kind of take the slack up where it doesn't walk around as much. Some of the nice fancy ones, they've got little cushions that come down and hold the part. This one is not that. But push her down. There's your hoe. And then you want to make sure your edges, like if you're saw cut or anything, you don't have a little nipple stuck up, because that'll walk you out and it'll make you off a little bit. Like this. You know, walk it up, walk it back, get a tight fit. Make sure you put your spacer in and pop your hose. A lot better than drilling. See?